Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to add Seek status on Slack. So open up your Slack account. As you can see, I've already opened up my Slack account, and all you have to do is go to the bottom right corner, click on your profile, just click on here, and here you will find update your status. Just click on it and you will find various options: in a meeting, commuting, out of Seek, vacationing, and just click on out of Seek, and you can remove this status as after today or this week or 4 hour or 1 hour. I'm gonna click on just 1 hour and just save. See, my out of Seek option is already popping up, and this is how we can add Seek on your Slack account. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section. Hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you all see in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.